Hi, to record screen on your Poco X7, first thing first, let's find this feature. For that, we need to simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and then find this video icon, which is for screen recordings. If you don't see it here, then tap Edit and find it either in System Toggles or in App Toggles and simply tap plus and feature would be added to your control panel. Now before start recording, we can press and hold the icon and adjust its settings. For example, we can change resolution. As you can see, videos with higher resolution look sharper. So here we got three options. If you want to free up some space, then choose either the second option or third. In the video quality, we can also select just anything from the list. By default, here you'll see 16 Mbps, but you can switch to 50 for bigger file size but higher quality. Also, in orientation, we can choose either auto, portrait, or landscape. So if you are planning to simply make your screen in a landscape view, then I suggest you to enable auto. Now in sensors, you can choose to record with microphone, for example, or you can choose system or both or none. In frame rate, you can also select one of those many options. By default, there is set up 24 FPS. And now we got recording options, so you can enable or disable such features as lock screen to end, which is pretty cool. With the help of this feature, you can add recordings and save video when the screen is locked. You can also enable to show touch gestures and show button taps. So those two features would be really helpful if you're planning to record a tutorial, for example, and you will be tapping on many features. So in the result, you should see white dot on features you were tapping, which is really helpful. And now let's start recording. For that, swipe down again and just tap once the icon, and after that you should see this floating button which you can drag anywhere across the screen. You can also tap on this folder icon and choose where you wanna store your recordings. You can tap settings and basically go back in settings. You can close the window by tapping the cross, and to start recording, press this red button. So let's tap it, and now you can see that we can see time of the recording. We can also do whatever we want. We can tap on the screen and we should see this white dot on the places we are tapping. And if you want to stop it, just tap again, tap square, and here you can see saved screen recording and tap to view. Or we can manually open gallery, check it either in the recents, here it is, or we can go in albums. And now you should see this album with videos and also screen recordings, so you can find everything right here. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.